8 Spiritual benefits of alligator pepper you don't know and should know. It is a close relative of grains of paradise, obtained from the closely related species, Ephraimomum melugata or grains of paradise. Let's see the benefits. 1. If you are embarking on a journey you are not confident enough with it, just take 7 seeds of it and put in your pocket. Once you are back, kindly remove it and dispose. 2. If you always have bad dreams or spiritual attack, just take 4 of it and drop at the 4 edges of your house. 3. If you have low BP, kindly eat some alligator pepper to boost over again. 4. If you experience your business premises is under spiritual attack or arrest, kindly take 7 or 4 seed chew but don't swallow. Declare words and spill it off your mouth. Do this for 4 or 7 days, you will see change. Note that when you take 7, you do it for 7 days. When you take 4, you do it for 4 days. 5. If you have sex with someone you don't like or know too well, with regards to spiritual status, just take 4 or 7, swing it over your head, making decrees. After that, throw it off. 6. If you see strange poo in front of your house, just spray with alligator pepper and bitter kola and splash it off. It will go back to the sender. 7. If witches are after you, kindly use alligator pepper seeds, grind it with ogirisi leaf, pour original palm kernel oil in container, mix all together and hang it on top of your doorpost. 8. If someone have wronged you too bad and your hands are clean, just take alligator pepper and kola nut, at early morning, face the sun, speaking your mind. After all, throw them out.